Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to undo a repost on Instagram using your iPhone or Android device. So let's get started without wasting any time. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right. From here, go to your activity and then tap on reposts. Here you will see all the posts that you have reposted. Simply tap select, choose the posts you want to remove and then hit delete at the bottom. And that's it guys, this is how you can easily undo a repost on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.